Everything that reaches you through a system. One librarian, 10,000 books. Cards, ledgers, hands. The shelves didn't change. The way in did. A courtroom. A hospital. A market. A city.
They grew past the mind that made them. A card, frozen. The result tells you where the river ended. A card, frozen, tells you how it chose.
The card, released. The scan, triaged. The molecule, cleared. A person signed it.
Trust comes from the record,
The molecule.
not the verdict. And still, we can understand them. The promise is the walk. Knowledge, design, patience. This is HuMSS.